Hi everyone, welcome to Skills for Everyone channel. And today we are going to talk about all the upcoming new batches, especially live batches that are going to happen in the September month for 2025. So first of all, we are starting with Linux on 6th of September. So this is going to start at 12 p.m. So first class is going to happen. According to the Indian Standard Time, it is going to be taught by Mr. Amit Bhatt. So he has more than 12 years of experience in the industry, even in Linux and DevOps and cloud. So this is going to be a weekend batch. So this is perfect for anyone who wants to become a Linux administrator. So you just need to have at least a graduation degree to do this, or you can be a working professional. You could either be a network engineer, or you could be a Windows Server administrator, and you want to learn Linux, whether for cybersecurity or you could even be learning it for DevOps. So you can definitely enroll in this batch. Then we have AWS Solutions Architect. So this is going to be an associate level of a batch. So you're going to learn about the AWS Solutions Architect Associate Level certification. So this is going to start on 7th of September at 10 a.m. Indian Standard Time. Trainer is Shashank. Again, it's a weekend batch. So even if you're a working professional, this batch is perfect for you because the classes are going to happen on Saturdays and Sundays. Then we have the most popular in-demand batch, the CCNA Hindi batch. So here in this Hindi batch, you're going to cover everything, the basics of networking, network automation, and other things such as routing, switching. We have IPv4 and IPv6 addressing. Everything is going to be covered here. The batch starting at 9 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Next up, we have F5 LTM. So F5 LTM is actually load balancer. So this batch is particularly best for anyone who is already a network engineer or a network security engineer, and they want to learn how to, balance all the load. So basically, this is F5 LTM. So the batch is going to start on 13th of September. The classes are going to be weekend. And trainer is Ashish, and the classes are starting at 11 a.m. Indian Standard Time. Next up, we have the firewall. It is Fortinet Firewall. We are majorly going to cover the curriculum of NSC 4 here. So it is starting on 17th of September at 9 p.m. Indian Standard Time. It is going to be taught by Rohan, who is another amazing network security engineer. And the batch is going to be weekday, and you're going to learn everything about firewall configuration and management, especially for FortiGate's firewall, which is Fortinet. So this is also perfect for anyone who is a network engineer, or you are, an IT support engineer or a help desk technician, but you want to upskill your skills into networking, especially into firewall configuration and how to protect networks from cyber attacks. So it's really important to learn about firewalls. Next up, we have another CCNA batch. This is actually going to be an English batch. So this is a weekend batch, and it is going to start on 20th of September at 9 a.m. Indian Standard Time. It is going to be taught by Rahul, who is another amazing network engineer with more than 10 years of experience. So, of course, as I mentioned, it is a weekend batch, and the classes are starting at 9 a.m. So this is going to be a morning batch. Next up, on 20th of September, 8 a.m. Indian Standard Time, we are starting with CCNP and Core. So what is CCNP and Core? It is actually one of the modules in CCNP Enterprise. So we are majorly covering core technologies here. So you're going to learn about the routing protocols like BGP, we have EIGRP, right? Everything is going to be covered here. You learn about SGP and everything else. So here, the trainer is Arvinda. She is an amazing, network security engineer as well. It is going to be a weekend batch. So that's all. So this is perfect for anyone who has CCNA certification and they want to upskill themselves and they want to majorly go into network engineering core roles. So this is a perfect batch for them. Of course, you can enroll in this one. And lastly, we have the Palo Alto Firewall. So it is the world's #1 firewall. So if you want to learn directly from network security engineers Vikas has been a great network security engineer with more than 14 years of experience in the industry. So here we are mostly covering the PCNSA, which is the associate level certification that is provided by Palo Alto. So as I mentioned, Palo Alto firewall is one of the most in-demand firewalls, and all the recruiters are mostly looking for network engineers or network security engineers who are familiar with this firewall. So of course, even if you have CCNA or CompTIA's, Network Plus certification, you can go for this firewall. So the batch is starting on 27th of September. Of course, it's starting on Saturday. It's a weekend batch, and the timings are 10 a.m. Indian Standard Time. So that's all for all the batches that are, upcoming for the month of September. If you want to enroll in any one of these batches, of course, the admissions are open. You can definitely directly enroll yourself, and you can also check out the demo classes for each one of them. How can you do that? You just need to reach out on WhatsApp. The link is in the description and the comments. And the counselors are going to guide you further, and they're going to provide you with the link to brochures, what's going to be covered in these classes, right? Everything is going to be informed to you. You just need to send a hi on WhatsApp. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.